Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pratiksha Manglekar and I'm super excited for the second episode of our fun series, Mini Writing Workshop. This channel is about language learning and personality development with focus on English language. In this series, I'll help you improve your writing skills in just 5 minutes per episode. Let's begin the fun and explore one of the most powerful techniques of writing, that is show, don't tell. This technique helps your stories to be brought to life by painting vivid pictures to your readers. Stay tuned with me till the end of the video for a very fun exercise. So, you've heard people say the book was better than the movie. Ironically, the reason is book shows and doesn't tell. Let us look at one example. See this clip from Harry Potter. You remember when he was chosen as the youngest seeker for the Quidditch match? What you see here is Harry on his broom trying to chase the golden ball, right? This is in the movie. Now let's read it in J.K. Rowling's words. And then, after several long minutes of waiting, the 10 students who went onto the pitch to face the awaiting crowd. Harry felt a great wind swoop him under as he rose higher and higher into the sky with the roar of the crowd in his ears. This was it, the moment he'd been imagining for weeks. The feel of the broom beneath him was incredible, and he felt a surge of excitement that drowned out any nervousness. Harry glanced around at the other players, noticing their focused expressions. As the game began, he spotted the snitch almost immediately. His heart raced. He leaned forward, urging his broom faster. The wind whipping through his hair, he could hear the cheers and gasps from the stands as he weaved through the other players. His eyes locked onto the tiny golden ball. Ah, so beautiful, isn't it? J.K. Rowling rightly said, something very magical can happen when you read a good book. Compare this as against the movie, this clip. Show, don't tell is a fundamental writing technique that involves illustrating your story through actions, thoughts, senses, feelings, rather than simply stating the raw facts. It makes your writing more engaging and more immersive for the reader. Let's look at another simpler example. A telling sentence could be, she was angry, but a showing version can be, her face turned red as she clenched her fists. You notice how a showing example is actually creating a clear image in your head, and you can actually feel how angry this character is. You can actually feel the emotions. To effectively show, you can use these following techniques. Use sensory details. Let your reader experience the text through their own eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. For example, instead of saying the cake was delicious, show it. The aroma of the freshly baked cake filled the air. Each bite melted in my mouth, rich with chocolate and sweet cream. Wow, your mouth is watering right now. Describe actions. Show emotions and reactions through characters' actions. Instead of saying he was nervous, what would he do when he was nervous? He could fiddle with something, or he could be biting his nails. He fiddled with his tie, his hands were trembling. Use dialogue. Reveal character traits or emotions through their speech. Instead of saying she was happy, you can actually show it through their dialogues. I can't believe this is the best day of my life. As promised, it's time for a fun exercise. The sky looked beautiful. This is the telling example. Now you need to rewrite it and show the beauty of the night sky. Remember, you need to show it, not tell. For example, you can say the sky was like a painting adorned with jewels against the inky black abyss. Share your sentences in the comments with the hashtag mini writing workshop. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Mini Writing Workshop. Remember, show, don't tell helps your writing become more vivid and engaging for the reader. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon. Stay tuned for our next episode, that is next Thursday, where we'll dive into building believable characters. Happy writing and keep shining.